Hello guys, in today's video I present a new elegant Ulefone 5G smartphone that looks very similar to the Apple's iPhone, but the new Ulefone Note 80 Ultra costs so much that you can buy 10 of them for the price of the one iPhone. What can this Note 80 Ultra offer us? It really offers a lot for a handful of dollars. This could be a smartphone that could satisfy most of you users, but for more details be sure to watch this Ulefone Note 80 Ultra 5G video review. This time the well-known global brand of robust smartphones, Ulefone, offer us an ordinary smartphone for review. I can tell you right away that this smartphone is a world recent, but first of all let's start unboxing. Let's see what we get in this package besides the smartphone. Here we have the Note 80 Ultra quick guide written in a bunch of languages, multifunctional instructions and other paperwork. Below we find the transparent silicone protective case, which will additionally protect your phone from scratches and bumps and will remain like a new condition for a long time. In addition, we also get this additional screen protector in the form of this tempered glass. What else do we find in the box? There is a red USB Type-C charging cable for charging and data transfer, and finally 80-watt fast charger. Okay, now that we have checked all the contents of the sales package, we can move on to our Ulefone Note 80 Ultra smartphone. As I said at the beginning, as you can see for yourself, this smartphone comes with a design that is reminiscent of the iPhone in many ways. With its beautiful black surface and flat edges, this Note 80 Ultra comes in two other colors beside this one, which is a titanium gray, Moonlit White and Lustrous Black, the color we have today in the review. The back features a captivating 3D petal design and AG coating, resulting in a smooth, radiant surface that sparkles with shimmering magnetic particles. The titanium alloy frame of the side of the phone not only enhances its premium metallic aesthetics but also serves to safeguard the Note 80 Ultra from damage, further enhancing its durability. The phone is also splash waterproof, which means that it can effectively withstand sweat, spills, liquids and water in any direction accidentally. This smartphone is quite slim and light with a thickness of 8.85mm, which is excellent and fits well in the hand. On the right side of the frame, which is flat, there is only one button, which is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side we find this small button. It is a programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute various functions within the phone or compatible applications such as a PTT walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with a one click, double click or a long press. On the bottom side of the phone we find a SIM tray for inserting up to two 4G SIM cards and a micro SD memory card of up to 2TB. There is also a USB Type-C port for charging and the speaking grills, which will reproduce sound louder than we expected. On the top side of the phone we find what many flagship phones don't have today, which is definitely a irreplaceable 3.5mm headphone jack. And that's not all. There is also infrared blaster. Yes, the Note 80 Ultra can also serve as a universal remote control in your household, in which you can control almost all devices such as air conditioning, television, hi-fi stereo system through the application on this phone and all other devices that have infrared connectivity. This is a really great and useful feature. Now let's look at our phone from the front. Between the relatively thin frames we find a large 6.78-inch IPS FHD Plus screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and refresh rate of 90 Hz, and it has a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, which is certainly commendable. Near the top, in the dot, we find Samsung's superb 32 megapixel selfie camera, which will take all your solo and group selfies with irrepressible quality and will always be ready for HD video calls. What can I say, this 6.78-inch screen is so good, impressed me so much with the purity of colors, sharpness and the contrast that I was convinced that it was an AMOLED screen. As you already said, on the front we have a 6.70-inch IPS screen with a 91% screen-to-body ratio and a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. A wonderful screen that will give you a splendid and comfortable vision experience, especially for the movie lovers on this wide screen. This provides a pleasant experience for enjoying multimedia content, visiting websites, playing games or just browsing photos. Regarding strong screen brightness, I encountered no issues with visibility on the bright sunny days. The display remains bright and reliable in various lighting conditions. And with the 90Hz refresh display, we will get the real thing, a fast, fluid and at the same time energy saving display. The vibrant colors are acceptable black value contribute to a commendable contrast ratio, enhancing color representation on the screen. Colors remain perfectly accurate, clear and sharp enough for a pleasant viewing of the content on the screen. Great screen for watching movies and YouTube videos. The Note 80 Ultra boasts a dual camera setup on the back. The main camera, a 50 megapixel high resolution marvel, is equipped with the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 ultra large sensor. This advanced sensor captures more light, delivering stunningly vibrant and crystal clear images. Complementing it is another 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera offering an expansive 170.3 degrees field of view. This lens excels in producing detailed and immersive shots. It can also record videos in a maximum of 2K video resolution at 30 fps, which is really commendable in this price range. In the gallery that follows, you can see some photos and videos that we have taken with this Ulefone Note 80 Ultra in different conditions, so let's take a look. The Ulefone Note 80 Ultra smartphone relies on the MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor, which was created for those users who want an affordable device and the support for 5G networks. MediaTek Dimensity 720 is a 7nm processor that consists of the two large Cortex R76 cores running on the clock at the 2.0 GHz and the 6 small Cortex R55 cores at the clock of 2.0 GHz in combination with ARM-Mali G57 graphics. MediaTek states that this is the most energy efficient processor in this class and provides enough power for all the daily needs of users. In terms of memory configuration, the Ulefone Note 80 Ultra comes in a 6GB RAM variant that can be virtually expanded up to 12GB of RAM for better use without expecting any lag. With it 256GB of RAM and additional 2TB via microSD card, there is ample room for images, videos, files and more. What we can conclude after using this smartphone is that the specified hardware configuration works quite solid and performs all everyday tasks well. It provides to be capable of running even the most demanding games in a Play Store. The Note 80 Ultra runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, offering unparalleled multitasking capabilities and satisfactory application switch speed. We can enjoy a clean Android interface devoid of unnecessary bloatware or intrusive ads with pre-installed Google Play Store, access to the latest apps and games along with the regular updates for an optimized user experience. Phone support for NFC and Google Pay, so there is no need to pull out your wallet or carrying wallets of card again, just add a payment card and pay with your phone. We also have a Bluetooth 5.2 features a comprehensive 4-in-1 navigation system with the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Baleo, ensuring accurate location services at any time. The Note 80 Ultra is equipped with a powerful 5450 mAh battery and 80 watts fast charging, making it ideal companion for professionals on the go and dedicated gamers. This impressive battery ensures seamless transitions between productivity and free time, offering up to 300 hours of standby time for uninterrupted performance. The Ulefone Note 80 Ultra is the first 5G smartphone in the Note series that blends sleek design, robust performance and affordability. Its sleek exterior exudes elegance reminiscent of high-end smartphones. Overall, the Ulefone Note 80 Ultra 5G combines aesthetics with the functionality, making it a stylish and a practical choice for users seeking a premium smartphone experience without the premium price tag. So the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them and get your new Ulefone Note 80 Ultra today, because now is the chance. That will be all for now, be sure to subscribe and see you soon in the next video review, bye.